You need to start making more money and you need to do it now. If you're someone that desires more out of life, listen up because we only get one shot at this. The cost of living is rising across energy, houses, day-to-day activities, and someone depends on you. And if they don't now, they will do in the future. If you're watching this right now, it's pretty much hard-coded that you will be successful at some point in your future. You are actively looking for other ways to make money online and escape the 9-to-5. Aftermarket arbitrage is your answer. We give you the tools to control your own financial situation through reselling, Amazon FBA, freelancing, and more. Now, Amazon FBA, reselling, freelancing, whatever it is, we do not call this a get-rich-quick scheme. But what we do say is that this is one of the fastest ways of accumulating wealth in our modern era. And our community is a testament to that. A clear example that comes to my mind is a 21-year-old that we have that makes over £20,000 of profit every single month through Amazon FBA wholesale. And we have to question, how long is it going to take you to climb the corporate ladder to a point where you're earning over £200,000 a year? With some jobs, that's just not even feasible. And the example that I'm talking about, this was done within 18 months. So if you are motivated and ready to take action, please believe me when I say that the time is now. Visit our website, aftermarketarbitrage.com, to get started.